the major issue of air quality is that it is invisible. It is quite appropriate that you are here because behind us there's a statue of Ella. And I always start by saying Ella was my firstborn. So it started in October, and by December she was in her first coma. She remains, till today, the only person in the world to have air pollution on her death certificate. My primary goal was initially very much to get justice for my daughter, because I had promised her, even when she was ill, we needed to get to the bottom of why she passed away. So we know through WHO stats, between 7 and 8 million people die prematurely every year. So you need to think, every time there's a spike in air pollution, no matter where it is, children and the elderly, because they're more vulnerable, are admitted to hospital. And when you look at the data in London, look at asthma, black and brown people are overrepresented in that. And I think where people like Impact on the Urban Health, coming in and going into the communities and identifying people in the communities, I think that is vital. When I first started this, I was more or less the kind of lone voice in this area, being a black female. And I believe because of the impacts on urban health, they've brought on a more diverse community now. And I really like that, because the people most impacted were not in the room. Getting the people who are most impacted, giving them a voice, is really, really important that we get to hear from them. My final aim is not only will Ella's law become law, our right to breathe clean air, that it will be adopted by the United Nations in the same way water is. If the government don't do anything about it, children like Ella will continue to die. I don't want another family to go through it.